Find the equation of the line through the points. 2 points are given. We have to find equation of a straight line which is passing through these 2 points. Okay. So if 2 points are given, how will you find the equation? Equation y equal to mx plus c, m slope c, y intercept. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M slope x1 y1, 1 point is given. Here if 2 points are given, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. The fourth one is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So now we are going to use this equation because 2 points are given. So write x1 y1, x2 y2 and substitute in this. Y minus 3 by minus 1 minus 3 is equal to x minus 2 by minus 7 minus 2. So here minus 4, here minus 9. Minus minus will be cancelled. Cross multiply 4 will come here, 9 will come here. Okay, now multiply 9 with the bracket 9y minus 9 3s are 27 is equal to 4x minus 4 2s are 8. Now x is positive, so bring these two terms to the right hand side. 4x minus 8 write as such and bring these two. Minus 9y minus 27 will come here as plus 27 equal to 0. So 4x minus 9y plus 19 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay. Next, first subdivision, question number 7. It is in terms of fraction. Procedure will be the same, but it is fraction, so do carefully. x1 y1 x2 y2. The equation is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So y minus 2 by 3 by minus 2 by 3 is equal to x minus 2 by minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Now take LCM for numerator and denominator separately. Here LCM 3. So multiply by 3 here because in the denominator nothing is there, that is 1. So 3y minus 2 by 3. Here LCM 3. So multiply by 3 here. Minus 6 minus 2 by 3 is equal to, here x minus 2 no change. Here LCM for the denominator round. 2 is the LCM, so 2. Multiply 2 here, minus 1 minus 4. Now 3y minus 2 by 3 right as such, and minus 6 minus 2 it is minus 8 by 3. Now x minus 2 by, find this, simplify this, minus 5 by 2. Fraction in the numerator, write the same fraction. Fraction in the denominator, write its reciprocal. Here x minus 2, fraction is there in the denominator, so write the reciprocal. Okay. Now these 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So 3y minus 2 by minus 8 is equal to minus 2 by 5 into x minus 2. Okay. Again cross multiply 5 into this bracket, minus 8 into minus 2 into this bracket. So 16x minus 2. Can multiply 5, 5 3s are 15y, 5 2s are minus 10. Can multiply by 16, 16x minus 32. Now x is positive, so bring these two terms to the right hand side. 16x minus 32 minus 15y minus 10 will come here as plus 10. So 16x minus 15y minus 32 plus 10, it is minus 22 is equal to 0. Question number 9. Find the equation of the median and altitude of triangle ABC through A, where the vertices are A 6, 2, B minus 5, minus 1 and C 1, 9. Okay, so we have to find the equation of median and altitude. First, we are going to find the median. Triangle ABC, AD is a median. So what is median? Median is a line joining the midpoint of one side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. Okay, so median is this is a median. This line joining midpoint of any side we can take. Midpoint of one side and join this midpoint with the opposite vertex. This straight line is called median. Now we are going to find the equation of the median AD here. Okay, equation of median through A. In the question they ask through A, through which point they will give. So here A is given. Okay, so D is the midpoint of BC as per the definition of median. So find D using midpoint formula. Write down the point B and C, x1, y1, x2, y2. We know formula midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So substitute this and find, we will get minus 2, 4. Okay, so D minus 2 comma 4. We have to find the equation of AD. The point A already we know, now we find D. So write down the point A and D. 2 points are given, we are going to find the equation of the median AD. What are the 4 equations? Y is equal to mx plus c, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. The fourth one is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So 2 points are given, we have to select the third equation. That's what we are writing the third equation here. Substitute x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula. Y minus 2 by 4 minus 2 is equal to x minus 6 by minus 2 minus 6. So here we can simplify 2 and minus 8. Here we will get minus 4, here 1. Now cross multiply. Minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 1 into x minus 6. Multiply minus 4 inside the bracket. Minus 4y plus 8 is equal to multiply 1 in the bracket x minus 6. Here x is positive. So bring these two terms to the right hand side. So x minus 6 plus 4y minus 8 equal to 0. So equation of the median is x plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. Next we have to find equation of altitude through A. Next we have to find equation of altitude. What is altitude of a triangle? Altitude is a perpendicular drawn from any one vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. From one vertex you draw a perpendicular to its opposite side. Okay, so AE is altitude. Now we have to find the equation of AE. So equation of altitude through A. Okay. So through A. So we have to find the equation of AE. We know a point A. Perpendicular. Altitude is a perpendicular. So perpendicular means parallel. Perpendicular means we have to find the slope. So perpendicular we have to find the slope. So find the slope of BC and AE is perpendicular to BC. So from that slope we have to find the slope of AE. So first find the slope of BC. Okay. So BC slope 2 points. So y2 minus yn by x2 minus x1. BC. Slope of BC equal to. So we get it is equal to 5 by 3. Okay. Next AE perpendicular to BC. So slope of BC considered as m1. And slope of AE we have to find. This is slope of AE. This is slope of BC. If you multiply these two, it is equal to minus 1. Because these two are perpendicular. So this slope we find it is 5 by 3. And we have to find m2. So m2 is equal to minus 1 into 3 by 5. That is minus 3 by 5. Okay. So slope of AE is equal to minus 3 by 5. Otherwise, if these two are perpendicular, slope of BC 5 by 3. So from this we can find directly. Okay. Write the reciprocal and change the sign. We can get the slope of the perpendicular. Can you understand? Write the reciprocal and change the sign. So I have written directly. Why we are writing minus 3 by 5? This is the reason. Perpendicular slope means change the sign and write its reciprocal. Okay. Now we got the slope minus 3 by 5 and the line AE passing through A. So the point A 6, 2. Now we can find the equation of AE. Okay. If median we have to find the midpoint of BC and then find the equation of median. If you want to find the equation of altitude, find the slope of BC. From that find the slope of perpendicular and then find the equation. So if one point and slope is given, equation is second one, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So substitute that y1 2, y minus 2 is equal to m value minus 3 by 5, x minus 6. Now cross multiply 5 into y minus 2 equal to minus 3 into x minus 6. Multiply 5 inside the bracket. 5y minus 10 is equal to minus 3x plus 18. Here x is negative. If x is positive, you will bring these two terms to the right hand side. As x is negative, bring these two to the left hand side. So 3x minus 18. 5y minus 10 plus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. So write down in standard form 3x plus 5y minus 28 equal to 0 is the equation of altitude.